Hi, pupils, and welcome to the channel Tanya's Polyglot. In today's lesson, we are going to learn medical vocabulary. If you want to master these terms, please stay.
Welcome to Language Adventure with Tanya. Imagine exploring the world through its languages. Picture yourself strolling past the Eiffel Tower, diving into the rich history of Germany, or savoring the vibrant culture of Spain. Each language opens a door to new experiences, friendships, and understanding. Whether you're mastering English, dancing to Korean rhythms, or savoring French cuisine, every word you learn is a step on this exciting journey. Let's embark on this adventure together and unlock the beauty of communication across the globe.
So now let's see the objective of this class: learn and practice essential medical vocabulary commonly used in healthcare settings. Build confidence in interpreting medical terms between patients and healthcare providers. So, guys, these common symptoms you will hit it in your daily interpreting calls. We have fever, pain, dizziness, nausea, swelling, and constipated. So now let's learn some medical professionals or occupations of this role. We have doctor, nurse, surgeon, a specialist, and pharmacist. Then we have hospital areas, emergency room, operating room, intensive care unit, ICU. Then we have pharmacy and waiting room. Then we have common procedures or terms. We have blood test, X-ray, checkup, prescription, and diagnosis. So now, guys, I decided to picture out for you how it looks like to have a conversation between the doctor and the interpreter. Let's see. And the doctor asks, "Does the patient have any allergies?" And he says, um, "The patient is experiencing severe chest pain." And the doctor says, "You need to take this medication twice a day." But in this case, the patient, right? Not the interpreter. And he says, "We will schedule an X-ray for tomorrow." So, guys, I hope that you understand a little bit better how this will work for you if you are working as an interpreter. So now, guys, let's make an activity time. Don't be afraid, it will be easy for you. And the activity says, translate these words. Translate these words in your native language. I don't know, guys, from where are you watching me? Maybe from Asia, from Europe, from Latin America, I don't know. But I will discover it when you left your comments. The exercises: translate these words in your native language. It could be in Spanish, in French, in Korean, in German, in any language. I am curious, and I'm sure that you are, how to translate these words in your native language and write them down below in the comments, and I'll be reading those comments. We have waiting room, operating room, pharmacy, pain, dizziness, and swelling. So good luck, guys. I'll be reading those comments. So thank you, guys. Don't forget to give a like and hit the bell button and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Thanks to watch my videos. Don't forget to write down below in the comments your answers.